Our next topic is the limitation of RC and LC oscillator. You see here, we have seen the RC oscillator use such like your phase shift oscillator and your Wien-Bridge oscillator. We have seen this one. Means generally we use a RC in a phase shift oscillator, and LC oscillator we have seen the Hartley and Colpitts. We have seen one of the relation of the frequency, oscillatory frequency is equal to 2 pi RC. By changing the value of RC, the oscillatory circuit oscillation frequency, that is the oscillation frequency, changes. Also we have seen the relation 2 pi 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. This also changing the value of LC, your oscillation frequency also changes. Means the oscillation frequency is depend upon the R and C and L and C. By changing this value, your oscillation frequency changes. The heading of this one, limitation of RC and LC oscillator. This is the value of your RC and LC. This is depend upon your by changing the value of temperature. If changing the temperature, the frequency of your oscillation frequency changes. This is written. The two major reason of this one means major problem of such circuit. Such circuit means that is circuit consist of RC and LC is their frequency of your operation does not perfectly constant. Means one of the reason why this is not constant, perfectly constant, means oscillation what is produced by this using RC and LC. Why this is not constant, means this is variation is come out. The reason behind this one, by changing the value of RC and LC, we have seen the relation. The how this value changes, you see here the two reason behind this one. The circuit which is operated, the circuit is warm up, means which your oscillatory circuit are operated. Now this is warm up in the few times. That's why the temperature is changes, means temperature is increases when the circuit is warm up. That's why the value of resistor and inductor is will changes. We have seen the relation of your oscillation frequencies depend upon the value of your RC and LC. That's why your frequency of oscillation changes. And the next point is the here written. The second point, we have seen the there is use of a feedback network in your oscillatory circuit. In this feedback network, if any component changes, that's why there is change of your frequency of operation, means frequency of oscillation is also changes. Means 2 point, when the temperature increases, the value of your RC and LC is changes, and second is your by feedback component changes, then also your frequency of operation is changes, means oscillation frequency also changes. Means these are the drawbacks when we use a RC and LC oscillators. Now in the many applications, it is desirable, the necessary to maintain a frequency constant with extreme low tolerance values, means frequency of which is not changing with changing your temperature or changing your feedback network component, means we need a constant frequency of oscillation. If suppose there is a not constant, means something variation is come, that's why it is written extreme low tolerance is used. Where you use such like your radio broadcasting station, if tolerance value means the variation of your frequency of oscillation is not more than this value, means 0.002%. If it's greater than this one, so what happened, the otherwise what happened, the signal of near about broadcasting station will be overlap, means the tolerance value is now greater than, means variation of your frequency is more than this one, then what happens, the near about station is also mixed up, means that's why the stable frequency is the very important. That's why we need a one of your oscillator such like your crystal oscillator, means by this one, the crystal oscillator, your stable frequency is producing by this one. If the RC and LC tolerance value near about this one, not more this one, this also used in your radio broadcasting station. This is your one of your applications such like RC and LC in a communication system. Next to move one of the important your crystal oscillator topics we see next. When we move to your next topic, your crystal oscillator, first we focus on the piezoelectric effect. Piezoelectric effect. What is the piezoelectric effect? This is the given here, written here. The point is, we consider one of the crystal is your crystal. Now apply a AC voltage in a particular frequency. Now apply in a crystal. This now vibrate according the crystal is the material is vibrate according to the AC voltage which is applied. That is the frequency. Frequency is the AC voltage. Now this is vibration equal to your AC frequency. This one of the frequency of variation is come out by applying your AC voltage. This is effect is known as the piezoelectric effect. Now the crystal which exhibit this effect is known as the piezo crystal. Now just we reverse. Reverse means we take a crystal, now apply a pressure or a force in this. Now this is now vibrating due to your apply your pressure or strain. The vibration is producing output AC output voltage in a particular frequency. This is written here this point. This is the known as the piezoelectric effect and the material which is used as piezoelectric crystal. The piezoelectric material is here we consider the three material here, the Rochelle salt, next one is the quartz, and next one is the tourmaline. Tourmaline, Rochelle salt and quartz. First is the properties see here, the Rochelle salt exhibit the greatest piezoelectric activity. They are the mechanically weak. The behind of this one the disadvantage mechanically weak Rochelle salt. This is generally used for the purpose of your to design in a your microphone and handset and loudspeaker. The Rochelle salt is used here. Means microphone, handset and loudspeaker due to a mechanical weak property of this Rochelle salt. But is the greatest property of the piezoelectric. And next one, tourmaline is the most rugged, means toughest, but shows the least piezoelectric property. Now next one is the quartz. Now quartz is the both properties here, means what is the Rochelle salt property and what is the tourmaline properties. Here the both property is present in the quartz. Means this one one of the piezoelectric is the greatest property here. Also next one property, what is the rugs means toughest of your tourmaline is your, means this is the most suitable material as exhibit the piezoelectric activity almost as the Rochelle salt, means the Rochelle salt such like a property also exhibit, and the mechanical strength such like a tourmaline. Means both property the tourmaline and your Rochelle salt is present in your quartz. Next to move the characteristic of your crystal. To observe this one, the quartz crystal are usually employed in a crystal oscillator because of their higher mechanical strength and easy availability of and simple manufacturing. Means quartz crystal is the very important for use in the your oscillatory circuit due to their mechanical strength and easy availability and your simple manufacturing. The natural shape of this crystal is the hexagonal shape, but it is cut in a different way. In the different way, we not here describe that is cut like your X cut, Y cut and Z cut. That is also called the electrical and one of the mechanical and one of the your optical axis. This type of your cutting. Just we focus here only. Natural shape in the crystal like your hexagonal, but it also different cut in a different way. The piezoelectric property of crystal depend upon its cut. The property depend upon the cuts, how the position is cut, means just like x axis y cut, means x axis y cut and z axis. Natural frequency is the, this is a frequency is the k by t. The k is a constant. This is depend upon the dimension of a crystal. T is the thickness of crystal. Means by changing the thickness, the frequency changes. Means suppose B thickness is increases, the frequency decreases. This is the crystal characteristic. Next to move equivalent circuit and symbol. Electrical equivalent circuit of crystal, and this was the symbol of your crystal oscillator. This is here, consider this is your parallel plate. This is the connection of plate. This is between this one. This is the crystal. Similar with the electrical equivalent, this is written here. This is series of your RLC, and one of the parallel combination of this is your CM, means module CM means one of the capacitance that is called as a capacitance of mounting. Capacitance of mounting, a mounting capacitance. Here what is a mounting capacitance? This one of the mounting capacitance. This is the your equivalent circuit of your electrical equivalent circuit of crystal oscillator. Next to be observe the crystal. This is written here, means crystal actually we have as a series RLC circuit in a parallel with your CM. This CM means capacitance of mounting electrode. This is the capacitance form as a mounting electrode. Now by this one, because of presence of this CM means mounting capacitance, the crystal has the two resonant frequency. One of the series resonance frequency and next one is the parallel resonance frequency. Due to presence of this mounting capacitance, now this circuit we have as a series resonance circuit, and next one is the parallel resonance circuit and parallel resonance frequency. To observe this one, this topic means series resonance frequency and parallel resonance frequency be observed in your next lecture. Means the crystal means mutual capacitance with your this RLC. Now this is parallel combination. This also in a low impedance value, this is work as a series resistance. If this value is mutual capacitance is impedance value is more, then work as a parallel. This topic is studied in your next lecture. Now we focus here the comparison your RC, LC and crystal oscillator. To observe this one, the oscillator types. Observe this one, means types of component that is use RC, LC and crystal oscillator. When we use RC component, LC component, crystal oscillator, this is generally used in a RC is used in audio frequency ranges. By this one we producing a sinusoidal waveform. This is LC oscillator use a radio frequency. Square wave producing by this one. The crystal oscillator radio frequency means both are used in a radio frequency. This one is a audio frequency, means such like your phase shift oscillator and your Wien bridge oscillator. This is your Colpitts clamp. This is your used in a LC oscillator. This is producing by your square wave. Next crystal oscillator is producing by the triangular and sawtooth wave. This is the range. Phase shift oscillator is used for 1 Hz to 10 MHz. This is the Wien bridge used for 1 Hz to 1 MHz. Similarly, Hartley used both in the range of same Hartley and Colpitts 10 kHz to 100 MHz. And crystal oscillator is the fixed frequency for using for fixed frequency, generally used up to 5 MHz. The negative resistance of your oscillator is used more greater than 100 MHz. These are the comparison.